Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Apple AirPods 4 and I'm going to show you where can you adjust your microphone and choose between left and right AirPod microphone. At first we have to open our settings app. Now we have to head into Bluetooth, which is over there. Now we have to click on this device info button. Now we have to scroll down, and as you can see below spatial audio we have microphone. We have to click on it, and now we can choose between automatically switch AirPods, to always left AirPod, or to always right AirPod. The active AirPod microphone can automatically change from left to right or be fixed to one side. That's it, hope it helps you, goodbye.